What is the meaning of word Sangam in the Sangam age? And the answer is assembly of poets. Which metal was first used by Vedic people? And the answer is copper. Which was the only Indus site with an artificial brick dockyard? Lothal. Who propounded the Eightfold Path? Gautam Buddha. Who was the mother of Mahavira? Trishla. Gandhara School of Art came into existence in Mahana sect. The original founder of manuscripts and editor of Kautilya Arthashastra was R. Samasastri. Who was the court poet of Harshvardhan? Bana Bhatta. Charak was famous court physician of Kanishk. Gupta Saka was founded by Chandragupta I. The last Buddhist king who was great Sanskrit scholar and a writer was Harshvardhan. Name the Italian traveller who visited Vijayanagar Empire in 1420. And the answer is, any guesses? It's Nicholas de Conti. Din-e-Ilahi was founded by Akbar. Who introduced Mansabdari system? And the answer is Akbar. Noor Jahan's real name was Meher-un-Nisha. Who got the Gita translated into Persian? It was Dara Sikho. Abdul Faisal is a footballer and Abdul Latif is a criminal. If you have any idea, please comment about Abdul Faisal or Abdul Latif. The Muslim adventurer who destroyed Nalanda University was? Any guesses? It was Muhammad bin Bakhtiar. The Sultan of which dynasty ruled for longest time? And the answer is Tughlaq dynasty. The Delhi general who successfully advanced up to Madurai was? And the answer is Malik Kafur. Muhammad bin Qasim conquered Sindh in the year? And the answer is 1712 AD. Who is the founder of city Agra? Sikandar Lodi. The guerrilla warfare was pioneered by Shivaji. Bahamni kingdom was founded by? Any guesses? Bahamni kingdom was founded by whom? If you have any guesses, please comment. It's Alauddin Hassan. Who is the pioneer of local self-government in modern India? Local self-government in modern India. Who is the pioneer? If you know the answer, please comment in the comment section. Local self-government was pioneered in modern India by the British, a British viceroy. Any guesses? It was Lord whom? It was Lord Ripon. Who among the following abolished the dual system of government in Bengal? The dual system of government in Bengal was abolished by Lord Vaughan Hastings. Who introduced Rohitwari system? Sir Thomas Munro. Who was All India Women Conference founded? When was it founded? It was founded in 1927. When did the British make English the medium of instruction in India? Medium of instruction in India. It was in 1835. Who was the greatest Bhakti poet of Maharashtra? Greatest Bhakti poet Tukaram. Who among the following was the pioneer of social reform movement in 19th century? 19th century was Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Who was the Nawab when Dalhousie annexed Awadh in 1856? It was Wajid Ali Shah. Who was the founder of Satya Sodak Sabha in Maharashtra? Satya Sodak Sabha in Maharashtra was founded by? Any guesses? You can write in the comment section. It was Jyotirao Phule. Who was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? First Muslim president of Indian National Congress, Badruddin Tyabji. Aurobindo was arrested in connection with which case? Alipur bomb case. Kesari, the newspaper, was started by? Kesari newspaper, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. In which city of South Africa was Gandhiji beaten up and thrown the pavement by the white people? It was in which city? Durban. Under whose leadership was the Congress Socialist Party founded in 1934? Acharya Narendra Dev and Jayaprakash. Who said Simon Commission report should be thrown on a heap of rubbish? Who said it? It was Sivaswamy Iyer, who said that Simon Commission report should be thrown. In which year Gandhiji established Sabarmati Ashram in Gujarat? 1917. Cabinet Commission came to India in the year 1946. Who was the national leader who wrote History of India on the walls of Andaman Cellular Jail? History of India on the walls of Andaman Cellular Jail. It was V.D. Savarkar. The book Prison Diary was written by Jayaprakash Narayan, who was the first Indian Governor General after Lord Mountbatten. C. Rajagopalachari. Permanent Revenue Settlement of Bengal was introduced by, it was Lord Cornwallis. First telegraph line of Calcutta and Agra was opened in 1853. Indian National Congress was formed during the governorship of Lord Dufferin. The Governor General of India impeached by the House of Commons in England was Vaughan Hastings. Though with the educational report Calcutta University came into existence. Which educational report was it? It was Wood's Dispatch. Province of Bengal was partitioned into two parts in 1905 by Lord Curzon. The joint session of Congress and Muslim League was held in 1916 at, it was held at, any guesses? You can write in the comment section if you know the answer. It's Lucknow. Who was the Congress president during 1940 to 46? 1940 to 46, Congress president, Maulana Azad. Who among the following founded All India Depressed Classes Federation in 1920? Ambedkar. The first newspaper which was published in India was Bengal Gazette. Communal Award of 1932 gave separate representation to Harijans. Who was the first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress? The first Indian woman president was Sarojini Naidu. Federal form of government was introduced under the Federal Form of Government of India Act 1935. Azad Hind Fauj was formed in 1942. Bhudan movement was launched by Jayaprakash Narayan or Vinoda Bhave. Let me know the correct answer. Who designed the national flag of independent India? It's Pingal. Who was the first Indian to be elected to the British Parliament? Dadabhai Naoroji. The Home Rule League was started by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. In which of the following years 26 January was celebrated as an Independence Day? Independence Day, 26 January 1931. Who among the following visited to meet Gandhiji in South Africa? Meet Gandhiji in South Africa, Gopal Krishan Gokhale. Indian National Congress passed the famous resolution of non-cooperation in 1920 at its session held at, where was the session held? In 1920 of Indian National Congress. Any guesses? It was Calcutta. The first General Secretary of Indian National Congress was A.O. Hume. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was given the epithet of Lokmanya during Home Rule movement. The famous revolutionary song of Sarfaroshi Ki Tamanna Ab Hamare Dil Mein Hai was composed by Ram Prasad Bismil. After leaving Congress, Subhash Chandra Bose formed in 1939 his own party. The name of the party was Forward Bloc. Provincial autonomy was one of the important features of the Act of 1935. In which year Lala Lajpat Rai was deported to Mandle for organizing an agrarian movement in Punjab, and the year was, in which year he was deported to Mandle, Lala Lajpat Rai, for organizing the agrarian movement? It was 1907. C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru formed Swaraj Party after C.R. Das non-cooperation movement. Advantage of the Ghadar Party was at San Francisco. Ghadar Party was at San Francisco. It was there. They had this advantage. According to Dadabhai Naoroji, Swaraj meant. According to him, what was the meaning of Swaraj? It was self-government. The civil disobedience movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in which year was that in which Mahatma Gandhi launched civil disobedience movement? 1930. The All India Muslim League was founded by Aga Khan. On 12th April 1944, Subhash Chandra Bose, who hosted INA flag in the town. In which state is that town now? Which state is it's in Manipur. Who expounded the theory of drain? The theory of drain was expounded by Dadabhai Naoroji. Who was the founder of Aligarh movement? The founder of Aligarh movement was. Who was the founder of Aligarh movement? Any guesses? If you have any guesses, then you can write in the comment section. Aligarh movement was one of the prestigious movement. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, he is also known as the founder of Brahmo Samaj was Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Tulsidas wrote Ramcharitammanas in the reign of Akbar. Who was the founder of Pratna Samaj? Pratna Samaj. Who was the founder of Pratna Samaj? Atmaram Panduranga. The famous Bhakti saint who belonged to the royal family of Mewar was Royal Family of Mewar. It was Mirabai. Ramakrishna Mission was established by Swami Vivekanand. It was established by Swami Vivekanand. Who started the Servants of Indian Society? It's Gopal Krishan Gokhale. Goa was captured by Portuguese in the year 1510. Which of the following European colonizers did not have settlement on the eastern coast of India? Which of the following European colonizer did not have a settlement? It was Danish. The English established their first factory in India at Surat. Where did Aurangzeb die? Aurangabad. The city of Dhlika was founded by Tomars. In Shivaji's Council of Ministers, Prime Minister was called Peshwa. Who among the following was an illiterate? Akbar. Who wrote Akbarnama? It was Abul Fazl. Which battle did open the Delhi area to Muhammad Ghori? Second Battle of Tarain. Vijay Stambh at Chittorgarh was built by Rana Kamba. The Qutub Minar was completed by the famous ruler Iltutmish. Qutub Minar, as we find at present, was finally rebuilt by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Which one is not situated at Fatehpur Sikri? Which is not situated at Fatehpur Sikri among it is Moti Masjid. Rana Pratap Singh of Mewar was defeated by Mughal army in the battle of Rana Pratap Singh, Haldighati. Who among the following was defeated by Prithviraj Chauhan in the first battle of Tarain? Muhammad Ghori. Humayun was driven out of Hindustan after the battle of You need to answer this question in the comment section. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon or comment if you have any queries.